Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can get Spotify for student plan. So in order to get Spotify for student plan, what you'll need to do is first thing first, open up a browser, not the application, and on the web address bar type in www.spotify.com/in-en/student. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After you head over to the particular website, this is a direct link, so click on get premium, which is located right in center. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to verify as a student, so go ahead and tap the next button. Now it's going to ask you to provide in your ID verification, such as your country's name, your education established name, first name, last name, date of birth, your email address, and all sort of things. Once you've done that on the other interface, you'll be receiving some statements such as the plan and all sort of things. All you have to do is go through it and mark on the terms and condition. And lastly, you'll have to provide in your credit card details. As soon as you're done providing your credit card details, you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully gotten hold of a student plan. So in this way you can get a student plan on Spotify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.